a weekend. I feel really tired. I've done nothing literally, like I've just been over here scheduling my content for YouTube. I really want to become serious with my YouTube channel and everything, with my content creation. I've also been doing something about Instagram and TikTok too. So yeah, that's literally what I've been doing since morning. It's around 1 p.m. So right now I just want to clean my room. Like, it's so messy. Don't laugh at me though, I'll show you everything. Like, everything is just everywhere. This room that's what I just want to do, and I thought, why not share that with you and maybe motivate you, show you just everything that I do, how I arrange my room from the messy state to somewhat clean state. So yeah, let's just do this. So this is everything. This is just actually, I don't have a door here. It's just an empty space here. It's a curtain that I've put and my towel, because the room is also small, so I don't have enough space. Anyways, I'm trying my best. Over here I just have my cupboard where I put my stuffs and everything. The clothes here, I found this leather jacket plus all my other things in here. Yeah, over here this at my table. So this is the condition of the table, and you can see all those there. They're all dirty clothes. Like, it's been a long time since I washed my clothes and everything, so I'm going to arrange it. And guys, you can just see my laptop over there, the books, everything that I've been using is just, everything is just everywhere. It's a mess. Down there I have my shoes, I have that suitcase over there. There's a project that I'm working on, so I have my inventory in that suitcase. It has no clothes in there. So yeah, that's it. Then on this side we have a double decker bed, and no one is using the upper bed, so I usually just use it to put my things. And guys, you can just see how messy it is. Like, it's so messy. There I've just hanged my bags and everything. Then there's this curtain over here. So this is just there's that window over there and everything. This is the best that I can show you, and that's it. So this is the before arranging my room. So let's just get started and make everything neat in here. First, I'll just start by tidying up this place. It's a lot of clothes in here that I don't know, but I just have to do this. So all these are dirty clothes, and I think I'll give out some, maybe take out some to charity. So I'm just going to sort them out. The ones that I'll still be wearing, I'll put separate, and then the rest maybe I'll give out. I hope you are enjoying the video so far. Kindly subscribe to my channel and leave a sweet comment in the comment section. That I'll stay with and the ones that I'll give out to charity or anyone. Let me bring you closer. This is the batch of clothes that I'm going to wash. Like, I'll just remain with them. These ones over here, I'm going to give them out. So I'll return the ones that I'm keeping in here. These need to be washed. All these. That are going for charity, I put them in bag in here. those that I have, the ones that are going for charity. Then I have my dirty clothes in here that needs to be washed as soon as possible. So yeah, let's go ahead. Let's just continue kutengeneza the room so that it can look like a girl's room, right? So now let's clean the table over here. Or should I start with this side of the bed? Let me start with this side. Look at these two. These are bonnets that I made. It's a business that maybe if you are watching this video, I would have started the business already, a bonnet business for the hair. And guys, this really protects the hair, and ever since I started wearing this, I just can't sleep without this on. It's so comfortable. You just put it around your head like this and it protects the hair. I can guarantee it gives maximum protection because it's lined with satin fabric on the inside. This helps protect your hair from losing its moisture. Generally, it just helps in making the hair grow out and retaining the length of the hair. So this is it. If you want to support my business, I have a page on Instagram. It's called Beyote Accessories. I'll leave the link down here so you check it out. The link will also be in the description box, so you can go check it out and support a girl. Yeah, so these are the first two that I've made, and they're all handmade. I sewed them by hand. I don't have a machine yet. By the time I was making these, I didn't have a machine, but maybe if you see this video, I would have had a machine already. So these are my first babies. I made them using my hands, literally, and I just love them. I'm so in love with them. And then see what I've found. It's a blanket that I was crocheting. I haven't finished it yet. I really do have a lot of crochet projects that I start and not finish. I really love this blanket with all the colors and everything. Let me show you a close-up look of it so you can see the stitches. This is so pretty. It's so warm and everything. This is my DIY softbox. I have Uzis in here. They're Uzi or yarn. All of these are in here. Then there's just this cuffs on top here. I don't know guys, but I'm just a hoarder of everything, like everything nice. Like I just tend to hold on to things. These are just braids and everything that I use in here. I also have many other Uzis inside here, so I just don't know. I think I have to practice letting things go and just doing away with things that I no longer use and that no longer serve me. All these are just waste and I don't know why I'm using them. This is for my laptop. Like my laptop came in this. Then I have this thing that I bought, a desktop tripod in here. I have this one for my deodorant that finished. I have my craft wire. This one I'm using. It's in here, but I really have to really start letting things go and just, it's not good. I have to throw away a lot of stuff. See what I found. Can you see this? It's an old photo of us when we were young. This is my cousin, this is me, my cousin, my brother. Woo. So let me rest a bit, and while I do that, I just want to tell you, before I used to use a silk scarf to tie my hair whenever I'm going to bed, but ikifika asubuhi it's off, imeanguka. So that's why I decided to look this up on internet and I found how to make this, and ever since I've been using these. And the good thing is that they don't fall off. Hata ukilala je, they don't come off your head. Like zinashikilia kichwa vizuri and they stay in place. And that's why I decided to make this, because I know kuna pia some people who have the same problem of scarves falling off. So this is the solution, and it's all at Beyote Accessories. So head there right now and get yourself a bonnet, satin lined bonnet. It will protect your hair from getting dried out from the friction and everything. So get yourself one. I'm just going to clean up the table. You can see everything in there. It's a lot of work, but we move. Cinda. And yeah, guys, before I forget, these are some of the stamps that I was making. I'll put I haven't finished them, but I've finished writing all the marks in there for my business. So that's it. So the only thing that is remaining is putting them on a wooden back so that they can lie flat. And yeah, that's there. I have my DIY rubber stamp. And for cleaning, the only detergent that I'm using is the detergent that I made at home. It's a liquid, it's a multi-purpose liquid detergent, and I have a video showing how I made it. I'll leave somewhere up here, and I'll also leave the link in the description box so you can go check it out and maybe make your own liquid soap, because you save a lot of money and you get a lot of products that last for long. So make sure you go check it out. If you're with me up to this point, kindly leave a sweet comment in the comment section. Let me know what you've enjoyed so far in the video. Also, let me know what motivates you to kind of do cleaning in your house. Are you the type of person that leaves cleaning for a particular time, or are you the person that cleans each and every time, like you just can't stand anything that you near you? Let me know in the comment section. Also, just leave anything about the video that you like or you don't like in the comment section. Let's just interact. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please kindly subscribe to my channel, join the family so that we can motivate each other, grow together, and just have fun. Also, let me know in the comment section, what do you love so far about this video and what don't you love about this. If it's the way I mop while bending, like just anything that you don't love or you love, let's share all that in the comment section. Also, please just let me know your thoughts about everything. If you have an idea for me, whatever it is, just let me know. So right now, guys, I've already finished everything and my room has a new face to it, though some things I haven't touched or I haven't removed, but at least I've added some. And yeah, so right now I'm going to show you everything, and do leave a comment in the comment section what you think I should remove, what you think I should add. Just give me ideas of what you think about this. So here we go. So right now, this is the curtain and we are getting inside. So the mattress is still there, I've left it there. Then the coat and those are still hanged there. I have my wardrobe there. Going this side, I've tried arranging the shoes and just the bottom there, and that's my chair. On top of this table here, I have my flowers and the decorative bottles, and I have my laptop over here and just a book, and then I have this table mat here. Tell me guys if you love these. I made it long time ago. I love crocheting, so I made these. I also have other ones. By the way, I have a lot of things that I do crochet. It's just that I don't know how to monetize them. So I've been trying online marketing to do monetization of my handmade products. It's kind of not aijashika, but I'm really trying, and I hope with my new venture I'll get to where I want to go, right? Anyways, enough of that. So here I have my tripod stand, and I've added this corner unit, guys, and I don't have any decorations to put on it. So what I've done is that I've just put my 2 mannequin heads over here. You see them? Yeah, those 2 mannequin heads. I think that will do for the meantime. Then this is my tripod stand, and guys, don't laugh again, it's almost dying off. Like, I don't know, ilikuwa imevunjika, then I've used this uzi to shikilia it, and the legs are not that flexible. Anyways, we have to work with what we have, right? Okay, then that's the window over there. You can see the view from there. I have that mirror and the other one. Then coming to the bedside, I've still left those bags. I haven't touched them apart from hapa juu nimetengeneza. I've tried to arrange everything that was on the bed up there. You can see the difference from the before, right? There's nothing on this side of this bed, but on this side I've tried to arrange everything. They are in order, well arranged, and I've decided to keep this box that I had said I'm going to throw, but I've decided to keep it because I have some craft items. I didn't know where to put them, so I just put them in the box and put them up there. So that's it. At least I've arranged everything. I've added a few stuffs and all, and my room feels and smells clean as that now, and I'm so proud of myself. Even though I was tired, I've managed to do this. Can you leave a comment in the comment section? Let me know, what do you think I should add on the table? Like, just give me some ideas, and I'll see what to do with them. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly join the family by subscribing to my channel. So I'll see you in my next video, right? Bye guys.